my channel Between Work and Life. This is Shalini, and in today's video I am going to do an Amazon haul. So all these items that I am going to share today in today's video are my favorite picks. I keep on adding things from Amazon, but these things really help me to organize my house and beautify my house while making my house simpler. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first in my list is this Vistec steamer. I bought this from Amazon few months back and this really works very well. Let me show you how this looks like.
This is a 1000-watt portable garment steamer which can be used vertically as well as horizontally. The capacity of water tank is around 250 milliliter, and I generally use normal water or just clean water. I mostly use half of this container even though it has mark of minimum and maximum. The best thing is that this water tank is leakage proof. It has got high temperature automatic power off, and the white and blue color looks very elegant and it's very easy to use. This costed me around 2000, and let me show you how this works. I always use this on my soft clothes because I don't want to take a chance of giving these delicate clothes to regular press. It takes 5 to 10 seconds to get ready to use when this green indicator is on. While using, if you feel like you have to decrease the steam pressure, then you can use this button to decrease the steam pressure. While I am showing on soft fabrics, you can also use it on any fabric.
Next in my list is this curtain. This is white color, slightly creamish white color, but this looks really nice, and the plus point of this curtain is that the fall of this curtain is really nice, and this is not transparent. It is quite opaque, though it doesn't shield from heavy sunlight, but this really does the work.
This is a 100% polyester fabric and its dimension is 4 feet by 7 feet. I got this for rupees 470 for set of 2. The material has got very nice shine which reflect the light very beautifully. It is very easy to maintain because I have washed and dried it along with my regular clothes, and it hasn't lost its shine or texture.
My list is this curtain tie back. So this is a pair of tie backs and it has got pearl details with a magnet. The magnet is quite strong and it holds all kind of curtains.
You can use it on any kind of curtain, be it thick or thin. This holds the curtain very well, and the magnet is also very strong. For thinner curtains as well, you can use it by tying it around.
Next in my list is this basket. I got 2 baskets in the same color. This is quite sturdy. So the bigger one I use to keep all the letters and electricity and gas bill, so that it doesn't clutter my table. And the other one, which is a bit flatter than this one, I use to keep oil on my kitchen counter so that my kitchen counter looks clean and clutter free. Next in my list is this rice slide. This is 5-meter rice slide. I got 3 of these, one in 5-meter length, another one is 10, and another one in 5. This particularly is battery operated, rest two I bought cable operated.
This one is cable operated, and both cable operated as well as battery operated looks equally nice and beautiful. I have used it to decorate my temple.
Next in my list is this microfiber dusting glove. This is very handy in terms of cleaning a dry surface.
It requires very less maintenance and it's lint free.
Next in my list are these colorful trays. These trays I use for multiple purposes.
So this one I have used to store clips in my pantry. This becomes very handy and easy to pull out and push it back in the shelf. I also use it to keep miscellaneous items in my fridge, which makes it easier to find and reduces wastage.
Next in my list is another masterpiece of organizer. So this is a transparent box with 3 compartments.
This is an airtight container with 3 compartments and it has got handle to make it easy to use. It comes with a lid and you can use this compartment separately as well, so this double up the storage capacity. Since this is transparent, I can see things inside it. This makes easier to find things kept inside.
Next in my list is this cupboard organizer. It has got mini compartments and this is very handy. I have been using it for so many months and this is very sturdy product and keeps me organized my cupboard.
It has got velcro on this, which is very sturdy. You just have to wrap around this velcro around the rud of your cupboard. And yeah, you have got different shelves in the cupboard. This is really help in order to organize small things in your cupboard. Last in my list, but of course not the least, is this yoga mat that I've bought from Amazon. This is 6 mm thick yoga mat. This is Amazon's best seller and I got it around 400 rupees. The second one that you are looking here is from Decathlon, which I bought last year in the same price, and it is 4 mm thick in comparison to this 6 mm. So this is really a good buy for me.
So yeah, that's it on my favorite picks from Amazon. These products have really simplified my life, and if you want to buy these products, then go ahead and click on the link in the description below that I've added. If you found this video useful, then please hit a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do subscribe to my channel, and if you have already, then thank you so much. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.